everyone, welcome to your online class. So we will start today with chapter number 5, that is modals. Okay, so what are modals? Modals tells us about the mood or attitude of the speaker. Okay, so where we use modals, remember that we use modals before the main verb, before the action verb. I will give you an example. I sing a song. I ride a bicycle. Here in these two sentences we have used the main verb. Here the main verb is what? Sing. Here the main verb is what? Ride. Yes. So if we use the modal verb can here, can. Here also can. Here it shows that I have the ability to sing a song. I have the ability to ride a bicycle, right? So if we add here can, it becomes different, right? I can sing a song or I can ride a bicycle, right? So it tells us about the ability. Ability, that I have the ability to sing a song, I have the ability to ride a bicycle. These are modals. Remember, we have to use the modal verbs before the main verb. Sing is the main verb, ride is the main verb. So before that we have to use the modal verb. Understood? One example I have shown you that we use modal verbs to express ability. Yes. Also we use modal verbs to express what? Permission. So permission, for example, if I give you an example, can I go out now? Can I leave now? So these are what? Permission, right? And also possibility. Possibility, something may happen, right? There is a possible chance that it can happen, right? And also suggestion. Suggestion, like if we use the modal verb should. You should do like this, right? To get good marks or for your bright future. So that is suggestion we can give. Okay. And also intention or future action. So we use modal verbs to express ability, permission, possibility, suggestion, intention. Understood? So we have many modal verbs. We will learn here about some important modal verbs like first can. Okay. So first we will learn about the modal verb can. Okay. So where we use this modal verb can. So take out page number 35. You can check their ability. To express ability, as I have given an example, Sheila can ride a bicycle. So it tells us that Sheila has the ability to ride a bicycle. Or if I give you another example, I can play the guitar. It tells us about the ability. And also if we use here, I can't play the guitar. So it tells us about inability, right? So if we make it what? Negative. So negative we will learn later. Now we will learn about the main uses of can, could. Okay. So this is what? Ability. Next is permission. Permission, you can leave now. Or if we ask as question, can I leave now? So this is what? Permission. Okay. Next is possibility. There is a possible chance to happen, right? Like winters in Delhi can get very cold. These are general possibility. If I give you an example, like you can catch cold if you go out in the rain. So here there is a general possibility that if you go out in the rain, then you can catch cold, right? So I hope you have understood the uses of can. Yes, it expresses ability, permission, possibility, right? Now where we use could. Where we use could. Could is used to express ability in the past. We have learned that can is used to express ability. But when we have to express ability in the past, not in the present but in the past time, then we will use could. Like Sheila could answer most of the questions in the quiz. Okay, this already happened in the past. Another example we can write like I could play the guitar when I was in school. When I was in school in the past, then I could play guitar. So it tells us about the ability in the past. Okay. Next, request. So to express request, like could I borrow your pencil for this class? So this is a polite request. Another example we can write, could I speak to Rahul please? If we write like this, could. So here have used what? Could, right? To express what? Request. Also we use can to what? Express request. But if it will be more polite, then we will use could. Okay? If we will say more politely. Okay? Could I speak to Rahul please? It is more polite. Okay? If I write here, can I speak to Rahul please? This is not so polite. It is just a request. Can I speak? Okay? In that way. Understood? So here also it expresses possibility, like it could rain tomorrow, or the train could be late, or if you don't study you could fail in exam. So in that way we can use could also, right? Understood? So in terms of like possibility we mainly use what? Could here. Okay? Now the uses of may. The uses of may. So where we use may. May is also permission, but it is polite permission. Like permission we have asked. You can leave now. Can I leave now? So this is permission, but that is not polite in case of can. But in case of may, this is polite permission. Like, may I use your phone please? This is polite. Okay, like in the Zoom class, you have to ask a question and it should be polite how you will ask. May I ask you a question, ma'am? Right, you will write in which way? May I ask you a question, ma'am, or please. Right, in that way we can write. Okay, now possibility. Here also it is possibility. So possibility like the school may remain closed tomorrow, or another example, he may come tomorrow. So in that way we can use may to express possibility. Understood? Now should. Should I told in the beginning that we use to give suggestion. Right. So first is duty or responsibility. It is my duty. Right. I should write to my aunt to thank her. So it is my duty. It is my responsibility to write a letter to my aunt to thank her. Okay. Next is suggestion or advice. As I told you that you should revise for your test. This is a suggestion that you should revise for your test because you may forget what you have learned, right? Or you should speak in English, right? This is also what? A suggestion we can say because it is very important nowadays, right? Okay. So next is will. So where we use will. Will is used to express future action or intention. Like what will be the future action? I will drink my milk before I go out to play. So that is my intention, or we can say future action, that I will drink milk before I go out. Okay. So these are the different modal verbs. So here we have learned about can, could, may, should and will. So first we have learned about can, that it expresses ability, then possibility and also permission. Could is used for ability in the past, right? And also request or possibility. Possibility here also in case of could also. In case of may we have learned that it is used to express polite permission. Like may I go out now please? May I use your pencil? So in that way we can write. Next, again we use may for possibility. Next is should. Should is used for suggestion, right? Advice and also what? Your responsibility, that you should do that, right? This is your responsibility, this is a duty. And will, I told you, future action. Understood? So as we have discussed about the modal verbs, we will do page number 34 in your Zoom class. Alright, because this questions can be asked by looking in the picture, right? Okay, so A number we will do it now. You dash not bring food into the auditorium. So what it is suggesting? May, might, could. We have not learned about might, right? So you could not bring food into the auditorium, or it will be you may not bring food into the auditorium. May or could. So we will use may. Okay, you may not bring food into the auditorium. So now number 2, you dash not run in the corridors. So corridors, you're giving someone an advice, or we can say suggestion, that don't run in the corridors. So it is telling what? You should not run in the corridors. So now number 3, Konika has promised that she dash reach by 9 o'clock. So she has promised means there is not possibility but will happen, right? So she has promised that she will reach by 9 o'clock. So this is the future action that she has promised. Okay, so we will write will. Okay, there is not only possibility but yes, she promised that she will reach by 9 o'clock. So number 4 and 5 you can try it, right? So we will end it here today. In the next class we will continue with the B number, question number B. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone.